Okay, on my teapot here, I have a little knob on the top, a little handle to pick it up with, and that's what I'm going to be making. There's my teapot lid. Just put it down there. I want to show you how the glaze gathers in this area right here, and that's why I left that so deep there. And sometimes this glaze turns a real blue, and it's very, very nice the way it gathers there. Let's put that back on. When I make a knob for a lid, I need to center my clay, and then I'm going to take a little needle tool and grab some slip, crisscross pattern on here with some slip, make this rounded, and then flatten the edge, crisscross with a little bit of slip. Right. This is throwing in miniature. Put it down. Now, it's better to start off with more clay than too little. If I think that this is too big, I'll just take a little bit off. So I'm going to put that on, wet my fingers. I'm going to push downward first to adhere the clay to my lid. Put my finger underneath. I need to have like a little bit of an undercut so that I have something to pick the lid up with. If I left it flat, my fingers would slide right off of it. Do that. I can clean it right up again. I can take the sponge now, clean this up. Right on the edge, I want to soften that up a little bit because that got a little bit sharper looking with the trim tool. I just want to make sure that that's all the way I want it. Check that undercut again, and that is all set.